how to change the order of photos on Instagram after posting. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can rearrange the photos on Instagram after you've posted them using iPhone or Android. In this tutorial I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android, you can follow similar steps. So first of all, you're gonna head over to your profile and then you're gonna select the album or select the photos that you wish to rearrange. For example, I'm gonna click on this one, and here you can see there are 3 photos. Now I want this picture to be on the front and this one to be on the second one. So there's not really any exact way to do that. What you can do is simply delete the photos and then you can recover them. So you're gonna click on these 3 dots over here and then you're gonna click on edit. And once you do so, you'll be able to see this dustbin icon appear at the bottom of every picture, like you can see. So what you need to do is simply delete this one, and then you're going to delete this one as well. And now you can see that this picture is left. So what you're going to do is simply go back to your profile, click on these 3 horizontal lines, and then you're going to scroll down, click on your activity, and here you're going to click on recently deleted. Once you do so, you'll be able to see your deleted posts. So what you need to do is simply recover these pictures. For example, you're going to recover this one first. So you're going to click on these 3 dots, click on restore again, and after that you're going to recover the next one. So click on restore and restore again, and now you're going to go back to your profile, and once you do so, when you click on this picture over here, you can see that this one is on the front, this one is on the second, and this is on the third. So that was how you can rearrange the photos on Instagram after you've posted them. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.